Gendarme them for sight from Buddha. They don't put hand for 3 thief people there where they don't cause confusion for inside Buddha. Wanna sabi say inside Buddha self chapter for insecurity. It over too much. Now so too go take una talk some accident wey happen for road from Ngaoundere and Gadwa. It concerns some honor where it been a CPDM person from side from Mayuluti. They call it na Honorable Aruna where we hear say be the turn back for that side for Gadwa before accident happen. This early morning time, die body e dey for co-house for Gadwa. Another one e dey for on top sick bed as we Tori enter for we EM. Tori too for this afternoon, we go take una go for quarter for Oyak. Now for inside Douala here, where they so palava popo, where you don't craze for sicker old age. The people them, they the beg say make company where the look lights, it try for come look out. If no be so, now people they go start die under that pole where current in the past for day. We go tell una too as we first school living certificate. It starts for that side, so for inside Bamenda, we hear say they be block road for side for my 90 pet population. Mami them, they be so fit for run with their picking them for take and go for place where they go write their exam. With the here say barefoot where no be send picking them for write exam for 2019. This year they send picking them. Now so too go take time. We talk for na chapter for corona inside we country. But sabi say sote now we own country. It don't deny for this also continue for Giwi. Number them way the sick people them day and the one the way they don't well. As so this also cry all day. Newspaper too it day for we before. This afternoon big part of it tell we say na only person way in the thief. You know the here as we pot in the bonham for hand. They say na only person wey the thief if he carry pot away the hot. He run with am. Big part of he comot na for Abdul. He the shidon for Bui inside Northwest region. Now we come be for Facebook. I return back small time. Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up on this number 2 time and number 3 day for inside the week. We start to read this afternoon. Now with the story for chapter for thief and thief where people themselves they don't decry them for inside Buddha for West region. Make we take on just now. We talk this other one. Now 3 thief boy them where they so way people them command down for inside Buddha brigade from Buddha where they call it Lashley Sebastian. He says say put hand. But Sabi say the overall big man Ogamwa Besesef Ibidede on top this introduce where they be show these thief people them for population for that side so for inside Buddha and as we Tori enter for we ear on top this chapter for thief from Buddha. It don't cause plenty confusion. When Sabi say people them from Buddha all time they cry, they sleep, they know they lock them too high. So just now it don't be na walk with gendarme they say they get them. The one they na young boy them as soon as they see the way they catch them, they be even one they will get caught for a foot will not be even fit for waka. They fake catch them for inside quarter place where they so they do all their watching them country people them inside that chapter. Now for this say where they waka nayo after where they don't finish pick them for inside Buddha. Now so to they take them go for gendarme them office. Now boy them for Lashley Sebastian. They do the work. Then big man says when I be big man for inside the way they call your Gamwabe he come. So Tanzan Fofu 24 years picking now be that. And even this other small brother where he dey so in name na aka Epevier where he name na Kwakam aka this other one na Kwakam 22-year-old pikin he get own shortcut. So they will show we for inside Buddha day. They say themselves say they don't make people them they know they sleep for night as we people them for inside Buddha they don't talk gendarme they don't talk say go up and down they go so continue for fight on top this chapter for insecurity for West region. Now the cargo them that if you see them thing the way they don't use them for thief people them inside a quarter them for Buddha they get a gun, they get a knife, they get even phone and the cartridge and say for go with the same and that's more the liquid where they use them for thief people them. So now just some of the things them that where they show we where they use them for thief people them inside Buddha. So as well we don't hear as well they don't talk they go carry them go from Gata from for court from courthouse they go judge them. For now, for Queen Elisa, they go talk say they be alleged to people them. It means say they is also suspect them, even as so they cash all that in there. So they'll first take them go for courthouse. From courthouse, when court talk say they guilty, their hand they dirty. One time, ngata na for the way they go last enter. And one of we number them too for this afternoon. Now Wowo Tori from one honor way Ikomoya when they turn back for inside a Gadwa. Accident so it happened for a motor this morning time as on the CM. So we yesterday did them two where they be there inside that motor. One of them na Abdullah, one of the Honorable Ahmadu Abdullah, and another one Haruna Buji. Now it be this where he died for inside accident where it happened for that side. So from Gaundere Gadwa Road, this MP, the honor one at the sea where he just died. He did so na honor way he come out for Mayo Luti for that side. So for inside Gadwa. So Bibi cried that again for inside National Assembly. After we they just finish and Dongamen for June, and as we Tori enter for we EM die body for Honorable Aruna we been a man for Mayoluti. They do already carry die body go keep am for co-house for Gadwa. As we another person Ahmadu Abdullah he own he dey for on top hospital bed after we be get small call them as we Tori enter for we EM. Accident happen this morning time. We go take una just now. We talk this palava them too for poll for inside quarter where they call them say Oyak country people them. We be don't fair talk on top the poll them, but it shows say the company where the local lights he never hear say people then they want them say may they come out the poll them. See as we poll them OH he don't catch Paul he don rotten. I say Paul he don rotten. So te he the rest now for on top different man a house. When I see as we Paul they don't sleep. They Paul for down he don rotten. And they were waiting for them. I say the Paul he no carry na just empty rope. He carry current. I say waiting. He carry current. And this current as well na the sabi country people them. Now current way if any man he play with them. Trouble it go be for day. Yes, if any man he try play with them, trouble it go day. And the way they process up if a fall. Now where if any man he check sense fine, nothing where they no even get for touch am. For sick as say current it is also pass for day. So we dey try for talk country people them, and even company where they look at this light say may they try for do something. See as well the process up he hang for air, if the current it dey pass for air and water it dey pass for day nayo. Now just for talk for we on top the chapter country people them say now people them where they dey down for the quarter for Oyak. Now their own life setup it dey for inside big danger. For sick as say small picking themselves they dey plenty inside that quarter where they dey pass under that rope and they dey play even under the rope and current it dey pass for day. We dey talk the one make e no be say they no be talk for them say the kind of thing dey for that quarter for Oyak. See small picking e don run go for under they only get for driving and drive am before e come up for day. Now they suffer that way the picking them for inside that Oyak they dey get am and a big danger. I say big danger even for small and even big people them inside that quarter. So we dey beg na the company make una see as wey dey put them there. Na danger current in the pass for day. No be na empty mop wey we dey make am and time wey go kill some person. Maybe that time una go talk say they no be talk for now. So we dey beg say make the company e try go do something before something. E do people them for inside that quarter. Rope they dey just pass careless and they rope them all as wey we dey talk. Current e dey there. We go hear some person for them. He talk for Steve Ebule in microphone.
We no get life for this country. All people don't fury, all don't fall for down. They don't complain for so long. They never come arrange them. So I don't say mirror LW more counts fish they were let for Oyak Monfebe.
And just for Sabi on top that chapter for Paul, we go take una, we go for that side so for field for Omnisport. When I go Sabi reunification field, they don't just come up for fix am. And he never overstay with minister where they look at as we town ide housing and urban development. He come Douala. People they ask questions say who side they be take mass and Lesenke pass that day where he come for Douala. Now for before this same field, wanna see am. Now just for before the field, the new field where they build am for outside country people them. The road it don't rot in. They want a part 1 for the road the show now so country people they will get season 1, season 2 and season 3 if time e go dey, but no be today. Now the roads, if we show na the few wey dey for before the roads, una go talk say chai Cameroon oboso. Minister for urban housing and urban development Mark Kecha Kotese become Douala. Time wey become e be see the place or they take it pass na for backside so that you no go see the road. The road for before Omnisport na dirty. I say the road e don rot ten. Make man no lie, the road e don rot ten. No nothing no dey happen. Una see place wey dey throw dirty, poto for dey, and side one na dey see that fence so na for dey wey fit dey. New field wey dey just comot for fix am, and na so we dey talk. How stranger dey go manage am? Thank God say Ndamba corona too e can make am Ndamba no come for country. If not, na disgrace for carry am for we skin. Yes, new stranger dey dey come for country, fine fee. See for outside the fine fee wey today dey dirty for all corner, road dem ho for all corner. Na wey people dey ask am, time wey minister become, wey e be can look all the work the way dey go for fee, who side dey be take minister pass? I no sabi say whether even see the place wey e dey for front fee. If minister for see the place, if I understand wetin we dey try for talk, season 2, season 3, we go bring am so for that route. We go enter just now for chapter for inside school work, as so don't talk for now. E no be easy for pikin the way they come up for go write a first school living certificate for that side, so for Bamenda. Wanna sabi say this first school living certificate, it starts on a Tuesday and it get for finish this Wednesday. As well this mami says in the talk, it no be easy at all for them. They say they get for run na backside with their pikin dem for sick and say they be block minority junction wey no be dey, taxi they no be the waka, okada they no be the waka, so they be get for pass na backside before they run with their pikin dem, only for say they want to say make their pikin they can write exam. And sabi say no be dey easy, as we popcorn too, e be the hala from all end for inside place where they call am say Bamenda. But that one e no mean say the pikin they no come. Bafoot mayor sef e be dey there. E glad plenty say Bafoot wey no be send pikin dem for write exam for 2019, e don send pikin dem, so e can give them encourage. E talk for them say make they go for before, e give them pen, e give them face mask, say make they use am for write the exam. And e dey expect say the pikin dem they go write exam and they get for pass. Sabi say corona dey, so palava for look out corona sef, bucket and soap e be dey for outside for all these pikin dem for wash their hand with bucket, soap and water before they enter inside exam house. But just for sabi Bafoot 2020, they send at least pikin dem. Make we hear wetin wey inspector wey dey look out primary school book for that side. He talk for microphone for Mbu Stella.
We don struggle. Some parents dem dey for Bafoot wey dey really like make pikin dem go school. That just say e no easy for go because the terrain no easy, you no fit penetrate. But many parents dem dey carry on home teaching. They don find teacher, dem dey teach their pikin dem for house. So such parents they be indicate say their pikin they don't ready for exams, and as such because we will struggle for get pikin them, because last year we no be get no one. I will be feel bad because Bafoot be left out. I will not like make Bafoot pikin them be illiterate. So as parents they be indicate, so now we settle with the work and find out for parents that your pikin them dey for the level, you know if you do this, so that we encourage them, they find home teachers. And as such, they teach so they will come up with this number we will get and so.
And just for sabi, on top the same exam, we be try for answer the inspector wey dey look out primary school book for that side for try for Terry. Number for pikin the way Bafoot E1 is send am this year after we dey be miss 2019. Make we hear as we talk.
60, we get 60 candidates to write these exams. I'll be right and 4 will be right common entrance. Mayor to be there for back, some no leave Bafoot. They don't come and be ready for help Bafoot picking them. Even for giving scholarship, no leave them. They run for back, so they and then join together. Now you will succeed for getting 60.
Just for sabi as we will talk for inside the image wey be the pass, the mayor for inside the Bafoot SSF, it will be Dede for try for talk congratulate and encourage, talk for that pikin they say may the right exam fine. The mayor too, as we finish talk for picking them as well they right, will be put with microphone for him up. It will get the talk from Mbu Stella a microphone.
Pikin, you don't know like the shepherd. When the sheep they go, the shepherd must do it for the make as they know say let the sheep not go astray. And for some pikin them come out for this kind temperature. For even first of all study for Bafut in hiding, under gunshots and under threat for even can't write this exam. It be important for me for citizens to be with them, for encourage them. 30 years back, I've been passed through this very exercise, and it still take me back. It be like a dream, and it find me plenty for country can encourage speaking them, and for make them they know say me like mayor for Bafut, like their brother, like their father. I don't come to for can encourage them, but make them they know say Bafut Council don't put 5 places for scholarship for the 5 best people they will go do well for the very exam. So I don't come to encourage them. They know say they no fear say change of environment affect their exam, but we deal with them and we deal for encourage them. And I equally can encourage them. So me they help the council to kick coronavirus to Bafut. Now why don't see we don't distribute nose mask, we don't give them hand sanitizer, we don't sanitize their hand them, and many other things. Writing materials, rollers, pens, success, writing material, we don't give them. Only see me they give the courage, they make Bafut, me continue to score the 100% as they ever score and before. Common trans, don't you say, we knock the 100% so just the third and see me they knock 100% too for first school, for make me president of the country, me come out for Bafut. Me some other mayor than two, like me as I go, me they come into, the me minister than two, me they come out for Bafut. Why do I come people can encourage them for all for this exam they write them today.
And just for Sabi, from primary school, we go take una enter for college book 2 inside Douala, just like any other place or Cameroon. When Sabi say practical, then say for GCE, them too they don't start since this week we will start. But Sabi for that side, so for Bonaberry will be passed for some school them where they did not they do technical work. We meet up picking them say they be make practical for one day where they did build house, and even one day where they did deal now with motor, plus one day where they do even with electricity, plus one the way they did so, all that one the way fall under technical work. Practical says it be the happen, and after we turn for out school them for inside a Bonaberry, it try for sure say no problem, it no be happen apart from say like place like Atlanta where picking them say they be do their practical, they be bring them other people them say me they look at them for say they be get some problem. People then say for a light side where they make practical so light, they say problem no be there. Now so to meet up Gondere the way they be get interest for make no Sabi as well they go build house, and one they say where they work on top a motor for Sabi say this technical work too, they be get their own practical themselves for that side. But for now, for the school that will turn we work for inside Bonaberry side for Wakasi as well the thing happen. The big people them for they talk say all thing it happen fine, they no be get any problem apart from small shaking where it consign some picking the way their name it no be there, but after they be talk say no, may they left them after they go see what they go do on top the practicals. Sabi say after practicals they go start for write exam next year, next week with a pen. It means say they go sit down for inside exam house for start for do University for Boya Sesep, got big man, it be day outside for try for see as we picking them say they don't start for write their second semester, and respect for corona it be day for inside all the class them for University for Boya for see say they cover their nose and they even give them space as well they sit down for inside class. Now just for tell we say corona day, and even big people themselves for university they don't put a commander from governor for before for all the class them we picking them they be the right exam. They continue today as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go take una go for inside this other one country people them for the University for Douala here with the inside University for Douala. Sabi say according to law, according to Commandiawe higher education in Dongia, private school in no fit the waka where you no get a state university where it dey like a papa. So for sika that one, now we dey so University for Douala, big people themselves they don't decide for be like papa and mama for St. Monica when a private school for side for inside place where they call them say Boya. So book for talk say University for Douala, it go the lookout as way the other school for Boya, it did do it in them St. Monica, it been a thing where they make them the two people themselves they meet up for talk say yes University for Douala, it don't be papa and mama, it go the follow up all the thing them where it dey happen for school for that side. So for Boya, so the book the sign them inside University for Douala. We go here wait till Professor Mingo he talk for we on top this book.
University of Douala, because we want to make University of Douala we programs them for make sure say they correct and say the day as the Ministry of Higher Education wants to make the we. And University of Douala will look with programs for education, in engineering, in business, to make sure that they are correct. And the schools for University of Douala, they will look in NSET and the Faculty of Letters. So we'll be very happy to say we don't succeed now, and our programs, they will be like every other program of any university approved by the Ministry of Higher Education.
We go take una just now. We enter for chapter 4 sick and corona. How many sick people then with the day for inside the whole world after 24 hours will be left on maybe on Tuesday. According to last number we'll get them for we before for inside the whole world now 14,970,180 people there they don't catch corona for inside the whole world. Number for people there they don't die for the whole world now 615,505 people them. Number where they don't die only for Donald Trump country for Sika Corona, 142,030 people. One them for Brazil, 81,485. The trong were watching where Corona don't do them for inside the whole world. The fatality, the two way don't do them for country. Now 4.11% according to where to get them. On Tuesday, number 21 day for inside July. Place where they call them say South Africa, country people them, only for Tuesday will be left there now. South Africa, it get 8,170 people there where they test the corona for their skin. Total number where they don't test them since the corona enter South Africa. Now 2,536,922 people. Number where it is so they don't catch the sick. Now 381,798 people them. Number for people there they don't well from the sick. 208,144. And people there they don't die for Sika corona. For South Africa, 5,368. Place where they call them say Ivory Coast on a Tuesday, E1, they be get new case them 219, 198 people or 108 people, sorry, they be well, and one person he be die on Tuesday for inside Ivory Coast. One day where they sick there for their skin proper, as we they talk, now 5,581. Sabi say since we corona enter Ivory Coast, 14,531 people they don't catch the sick, 8,857 people they don't already well, and 93 people them they don't die for Sika corona for Ivory Coast. Buhari own country as well we see on Tuesday now 576 new cases them where they don't get them for inside Buhari country. Total number since we corona enter Nigeria 37,801, and people there they don't well 15,677. Then just for Sabi say one day way they so they don't die for Sika this corona now 805 people them where they don't die for inside Buhari country for Sika palava for corona. And also don't talk for inside we own country. We this also continue for Beck, the big man minister for sick people them. May they try for help the Tory people them too. Forget the real number them. For Sika say we'll get place them. We'll get number bet. If they no give we, na trouble. Just now, photo one at the CM so with the yes na some Tory man where they work for Advocate newspaper where uniform people they don't catch it put them for back counter for Manfe. Waiting where this Tory man do, they say na for Sika say he snap house where people them born he use them for dry Tory. Now for the way uniform put they don't catch it put it for back ngata. So Tory people them they the beg say make uniform put them for Manfe. They try left this Tory man where he been a reporter for Advocate newspaper for that side, so for inside Limbe, Sabi say they for Bakanta, now for Manfe side. Now the story that we'll see for this afternoon, but before we come out, newspaper, the Guardian Post where they outside, it tell we, this thing where they talk say they don't do for Northwest and Southwest, people there they don't kill house where they don't burn International Criminal Court, it don't talk say power, no reach for George Nkunkuma and other big uniform people them for inside we country, according to which the guidance post he put on for we before this afternoon. Now so you go read tori wey consign Edison Fundi wey he do better thing for inside Bamenda. You go read tori too where he consign of these people there wey they don't the help people them for come out picking them for their belly, that people them they don't identify them as well they think the past for inside Yawende. So if you read that one, make una no forget say August 2 he go get new picking guidance post magazine where he go come out. The guidance post he get other to read them where you fit for it inside. Now so we finish story for this afternoon, country people. Then want say big thank you for all my way put on. We salute Raphael Cheko, Olivier we get Raphael Cheko for Mbuda and Olivier Sefo for that side for Garua. Thank you too for this side for inside the Kinnock Story House. We get Nadine, Malis and even Various with the help for backside for say make story happen. I want say big thank you too for Cedric Shuna. We put camera for my before this afternoon. If Papa God help 8 o'clock for Thursday, we go meet up with other to read them. Una hold am tight.